Hello guys, I'll be opening the Lucario VSTAR Premium Collection. It shows everything that's inside of it. Like this. Okay, that's the back. It tells you everything inside of it, which kind of don't need to know because you don't really need to put on the back since you could already see what's inside. Now let's get to opening this. Other side. Wow. There, got it. Oh, well, now Lucario VSTAR's gonna get damaged. Okay, I got it out. Oh, there it is. I was wondering where the roller went. Ooh, wow, that almost fell. I almost damaged everything in this box. And I just opened it. There. The worst place to put it, but I don't really have anywhere else. Okay, so I'm gonna put those two cards over there. Oh, here's the code card. And here is the Jumbo Lucario VSTAR. That's not really gonna fit anywhere. A Lucario pin. The acrylic VSTAR marker. And all 6 packs. Okay, let's get to opening the packs. I'm gonna do the Brilliant Stars last because I feel like there's gonna be something good in that. Only 2 Brilliant Stars. We'll do Chilling Rain first. Energy Crab Abominable, Single Strike, Scroll of Piercing, Melanie, Shuppet, Cast Form, Snowy Form, Ghastly, Cubfu, Hatena, Reverse Hollow, Steenie, and an Abama Snow. Okay, now onto Fusion Strikes. Fusion Strike packs. Oh. Energy Silgoo, Closeter, Spongy Gloves, Jigglypuff, Minun, Baltoy, Glaring Cursola, Quillfish, Reverse Hollow Steelix, and a V. Cinderace V, probably the only thing I'm gonna get out of these packs. I feel like that wasn't the last card, so I'm gonna still do this. Energy Simisear, Farewell Bell, Galarian Looney, Pansage, Cuffant, Gligar, Slugma, Skitty, Reverse Hollow Voltorb, and a Latias. So still nothing good, but that wasn't the last card. So just one more Fusion Strike until you get to the Brilliant Stars. So far, I think this wasn't worth $30. Energy, Stantler, Gliscor, Centiskorch, Phalanx, Choodle, Volibite, Dewpider, Meowth, Reverse Hollow Lapras, and Gorbis. Yeah, this is definitely not worth $30. Unless in these Brilliant Stars packs I get either an Arceus alternate art or a Charizard V-Star Rainbow Rare. Or just a regular Charizard V-Star. Ooh, I think I saw black. Which is only a V. Energy, Friends and Galar, Weavile, Faxture, Clink, Sneasel, Turtwig, Piplup, Shroomish. No way. Is this an alternate art? Okay. Sharon's Care. Oh! A full art Lumineon V. That I feel like that's not worth a lot, but that's still a pretty good card. I don't pull that many full arts in these videos. What I don't like about these full art and alt arts is that it has the same silver thing around the card, so you don't know if you're gonna get a full art or an alt art, which getting an alt art is better because it's more rare, so you get more money for selling it. Okay, last one. Grimmsnarl. Okay, nothing good out of that pack, but we still did get a full art Lumineon V. Okay, that is it, guys. Bye.